So, you are thinking of creating a new YouTube channel in 2025 and you choose your topic. So, before doing that, watch this video for 5 minutes. It will change your path of being a YouTube creator forever. Hello guys, what's up? It's Asif here again. So here I am with this new topic. Now, if you want to create a YouTube channel, I know first you hit the YouTube in search for how to become viral, how to become popular, how to create good videos, how to shoot better, what camera angle I should choose, how I should design my YouTube, what lighting I should use, what kind of editing software I should use, what camera gear I should use, what microphone I should use. You are searching for that for so many long, and after all you also came to know about the Google or YouTube SEO. So you are searching that how to become very good in SEO, how to become an expert in SEO, and you also install the plugin called vidIQ and seeing how your YouTube video actually performing out of 100. But you forget one thing, the very fundamental simple thing of being a YouTuber. Yes. Do you love being in front of the camera? This simple question is the most important thing. Do you love that or not? Like I am doing. I am talking about this very fundamental topic in front of camera, and I am loving the every second of itself. I love being in front of the camera. I love to see how people react by seeing me in this getup, how I am talking, what the shirt I am wearing, how my face is looking, how my nose is looking. They are commenting on that. They are commenting on my acting, my talking skills, and I love to show them that also. So do you love that or not? If you love that, then only then YouTube is for you. If not, then it's not for you. Go and work for some firm. YouTube is not for you. Yes guys, YouTube is not for you. Yes, there are many one who change the topic that faceless channel is okay, copy paste channel is okay. That's okay. There are many one, but the main fundamental thing is you have to be on the camera to talk about some good stuffs you love the most. Maybe you love doing gardening, do that. Maybe you love machinery. Maybe you love photography. Maybe you love videography. Talk about whatever you do love. Then come to the trending parts, viral parts, studio lighting, studio objects, camera and gear. That's the second part. But first is to being in front of the camera and have the audacity to talk about any topic you love for 5 minutes to 10 minutes at least. Then if you love this, then buy a camera with the minimum cost $600 to $700. Don't waste more than that. Camera and lens. buy any mic of $50 to $60 and buy any gorilla pod like I am doing. Don't waste your money for the lighting, don't waste your money for creating a good studio. First, buy this and start. Start and upload your first video ever. Then do that for at least 30 days. One video each day. Then idea will come up into your mind. Bombardment of idea will be there in your mind. Bombardment of ideas, how to create good studio, how to look better, because people will commenting on your videos. They love to see you talking about this topic instead of this topic. They maybe want some suggestions from you to how to do that better way than they are doing at this point of time. They will spend time with yours videos, and that's the way to become a successful YouTuber. And I am doing that. I am also a new YouTuber, but I figured that out. First start, click record a video and post to YouTube. Don't look for the best setup. Don't look for the best camera. Don't look for the best editing software. Just record and upload. Just do that. And do that for 1 month. Everything will automatically come to you. Try at least, and that's all I have to say here. If you have any other opinion, leave it a comment. I love to know from you guys. Goodbye, have a nice day. See you soon.